Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling LinkedIn's use of your data for research purposes on the mobile app. This step is crucial for those who wish to maintain greater control over their personal information. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, tap on Data Privacy. Subsequently, look for the option labeled Social, Economic, and Workplace Research. Finally, toggle off the setting that allows LinkedIn to use your data for research purposes. By following these steps, you can ensure that your data is not utilized for LinkedIn's research initiatives. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more privacy tips and tutorials.